Hello kids, welcome. Today we will do a topic of bio, first lesson, transportation and transpiration in plants. For today's lecture we'll concentrate on transportation. So let us start. Transportation, what is it in plants? Transportation of water and minerals from the roots and transportation of food produced by the leaves to all parts of the plant. So let us start with the first part, that is water and minerals. Transportation in plants is done by a special type of tissue that is called as the complex vascular or conducting tissue. If you remember tissue lesson from class 7. Now let us go to xylem. Xylem transports water and minerals. Here the structure of xylem is, it is mainly made up of dead cells, tracheids, vessels, parenchyma and fibers or sclerenchyma are the parts of it. They are usually dead except one alive part, that is parenchyma is alive. What are the functions? Transport, support and storage. Difference between xylem and phloem, you have done it in class 7. Make it very easy. Xylem transports water minerals, phloem transports food. Xylem is unidirectional, phloem is bidirectional. Xylem is structure is made up of tracheids, vessels, parenchyma and fibers. Phloem is made up of sieve tube, companion cells, parenchyma and fibers. Parenchyma and fibers is common in both of them. Mostly dead, mostly alive cells or living cells. Now let us go to transportation of water. You all know transportation of water ke liye pehle water should be absorbed. So for that you should first understand the structure of root hair, which is the source of absorption of water. Directly roots don't absorb. Root has parts called as root hair. So let us see its structure. Root hair structure is cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, which is connected to the epidermal cells of the root hair. What are the special features that they absorb water? They have a large surface area, they have high concentration cell sap, they have freely permeable cell wall, they have semi-permeable cell membrane. Now let us go with the steps. First step is the absorption of water happens from the soil into the root hair by the process of diffusion and osmosis. So what are the pathways these processes takes place by? Apoplastic pathway and symplastic pathway. What is apoplastic pathway? Here it occurs through cell wall and intercellular spaces, while symplastic pathway is through the cell membrane, cytoplasm and plasmodesmata to reach the xylem. Now remember, from the soil the water has now reached through different parts up to the xylem. What after reaching the xylem? Now once they have reached the xylem, it has to be carried upwards against the gravity. So here there are 4 forces which are acting. What are the 4 forces? Root pressure, adhesion and cohesion, capillary force and transpiration pull. Read this very thoroughly. Again, what are the 4 forces? Repeat them. Root pressure, adhesion and cohesion, capillary force, transpiration pull. Got it? Now the basic understanding of movement of molecules, solid, liquid or gas, are 4 important processes. What are they? Diffusion, osmosis, active transport and imbibition. Diffusion takes place for gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, liquid and some tiny solids from higher concentration move to lower concentration, which is a slow, passive and no energy needed process. Osmosis, only water moves by this process from high to low concentration through semi-permeable membrane. Active transportation, here the movement of minerals occurs from lower concentration to higher concentration, especially in roots. It is a fast, active and energy using process. Imbibition, special type of diffusion where water is absorbed by solids or colloids, example seeds. Remember, your mom soaks the seeds at night, which are tiny when she soaks it, but next day morning they swell up. So this is due to imbibition. So this is all about water. Now phloem cells, what it is a very simple process to transport food. How does it happen? You know it is a bidirectional process from leaf